Welcome to LeadMaster. In this video, I'm going to show you how to configure and customize fields and reference tables in LeadMaster for creating sales quotes. To begin, we go to Manage Workgroups. This is a logon management privilege. If you don't have access to Manage Workgroups, contact your LeadMaster administrator or your LeadMaster representative. The first area we're going to take a look at is opportunities. We want to make sure that the product pricing accurately reflects what we want. We can either make it invisible, read-only, or read-write. In this case, I'm going to allow the users to be able to edit the pricing. The other area is in the quotes section. We want to make sure that we have access to quotes enabled. Next, let's go to Customize Pages. The first page we're going to take a look at is the Sales Update page. This is the same whether you're taking a look at Sales Update. One of these is going to need access to the quotes area. And all we want to do is make sure that we have a check mark next to the quotes section so that it's visible. You can also access quotes from the Opportunity section. So you may also want to enable the Opportunity section, which I have labeled as Sales Deals Pipeline. The next page we take a look at is the quote page. This is where I can enable various sections and edit labels to turn them on or off. I can also reorder these sections. And the last page is the opportunity page. If I want to enable the quote section from the opportunity page, just make sure that I've got a check mark here. Next, we're going to go into the reference tables. You can access the product reference table here from the opportunity section, and this is where we load our products. You can either add records by hand or you can import. Here's a list of fields that you can import. You can also specify pricing by either geography or by team. So I can specify it by either group or partner or by country or state. This allows me to have different pricing for different geographies or for different groups, sales groups. I also have the ability to create custom drop-downs in the Solution Details area. Let's take a look at a quote. So here I have 3 quotes. Let's take a look at the pianos quote. You'll notice that I have a drop down for color. Let me show you how I created that. We're going to go to Customize Pages. I'm going to go to Add Edit Quote. The custom character fields 2 through 6 allow me to specify additional drop-down menus. So color, you will see, is custom character 2. I'm going to select custom character 3. I'm going to make this color second choice. Notice that I don't have a magnifying glass here. Neither do I have a magnifying glass in the added opportunity for number 3. And in fact, these are 2 different labels. So I'd need to make this color second choice as well, if I'd like this same drop-down to show up on the quote as well as the opportunity. In order to define the drop-down menus, I need to go to Admin and go to the reference tables. Here, you'll find Opportunity Miscellaneous Reference Tables. And you'll see here's where I've got color defined. I'll add another color. And I'll also add that other drop-down value. To add additional values, I just make the type match the label. And it's important that the label and the value in the reference table match exactly. So for example, I'll have color second choice, but in this case I'll spell out the word second and you'll see that it won't appear in the list. Now let's go take a look at that quote again. So now you can see I've got color, and I added brown, and I've got color second choice, but notice that it doesn't show the last item where I had spelled it differently. This concludes the video on customizing fields and reference tables for quotes.